Graham cracker pie crust is delicious and easy to make. Let me show you how it's done. We'll need a full package of graham crackers. There should be 9 whole graham crackers in the package. You can use either regular or honey graham crackers. I'm using honey today. I'm going to start breaking these graham crackers into large pieces and placing them in my food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can put these crackers in a Ziploc bag and pound them with a hammer. Trust me, I did it that way for many years. Once those are broken up, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, I'm going to melt 5 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to place the lid on the food processor and we're going to start pulsing until we have this mixture finely ground. Now I'm going to start adding my melted butter into the feed tube and I'm going to keep pulsing. Ultimately, I want this to look like moist sand. We'll transfer that to a pie plate. I'm going to use the bottom of this clean measuring cup to help me get those crumbs packed down into my pie plate nice and tight. And I'm going to try to come up on those edges just a bit. I'll use clean hands to make sure that the crumbs that come up the sides of the plate are packed in nice and tight too. One of the things you don't want with a graham cracker crust is for there to be loose crumbs. Once we've completed that, we're going to put this into our 325-degree oven for 15 to 18 minutes. We want to leave it in there until it's fragrant and brown around the edges. Give this a few minutes to cool down and then you're ready to add your favorite ingredients to make an incredible pie.